window. Ayan, I had to take it out kasi siya yung nagka-clog ng pipe. Yun. Kasi, if you need any cleaning services, joke. Slimy. Yuck. Parang sipon. Very yucky. Feeling yucky. So, you see. So, yan yung nagka-clog ng pipe. Yellow, parang tina. Kung sa sa, what do you call that? Sa well. Parang siya, yung color niya is parang tina. I don't know sa Tagalog ng tina. English, hindi ko rin alam. Sa Ilonggo lang. Yak. So, yan. I hope hindi na siya mag-clog. Sipon. Have to go down first. Yuck. Baka-slimy niya. As in. Yuck. Parang sipon. As you can see in my face, it's like really slimy. Slimy. So I guess I put water later to see or to check if it's still leaking or if it's still clogged. Leaking. Nagli-leak siya, pasiklak. Ganyan. See, wait. I'll show you. Yeah, just look at that. Parang sipon siya. Ew. Mayroon pa ba? Try me. Kung naging lalaki siguro ako, baka naging construction worker. Joke lang. But I like to do these kind of things. I love doing construction. Wala lang. Parang hobby. For me, it's relaxing. Pag gumagawa ako ng mga ganung bagay. I don't like to work sa office. Actually. Kasi, it's boring. Nakaupo ka lang every time. I like to be active. So, yan. Malinis na siya, I hope. Tingnan ulit. Sa side na ito. Sa side na ito, meron pa siyang yellow. But if you're gonna take it out, what to do? Diba? So, yan. Then the side. Here. Tingnan na yan. So, yan. May natira pa ng konti. But, I think it's okay. Or because I'm annoyed, I'll get it. So, lalagyan siya natin ng tubig to check if it's still, oopsie, bad. If it's still clogged. Clogged pa ba? Or hindi na? I think it's already going down. So, and I also need to get thing to clean. Take it out. Maliit na siya. But look at the dust. Well, dusty din. Okay. So, I also need to wash the kids' clothes. I think I need to strain it. So I need to dry this also. And after that, balik ko na siya ulit. And I have to clean. Ay. See. At least, mawawala yung tulo. Kasi yung condensation water, hindi siya makalabas sa what do you call that? Yung ginawa nilang parang plate to get all the condensation, catch all the condensation water. So, hindi siya makalabas kasi yung water, ano siya, may nagiging slimy. Kasi nandun na siya siguro for a long time. So, nagiging sticky yung water. That's why I need to clean it once in a while. So, yan. So, tapos na siya. Look at that. Malinis na. See? Lalamig naman yung yung bedroom. So, I have to climb again and put it back. Tingnan natin. Nandiyan na siya. So, tapos na siya. I hope it's not going to leak anymore. So, now I have to put back the light. And then I'm done.